Merhaba arkadaşlar. Today we will learn about the pronouns in Turkish, which is called Zamirler. Let's start. Ben. Ben means I, yani मैं. Sen. Sen means you. It's informal and it's also singular, yani तुम. O. O means he or she or it, यानी वो लड़का या लड़की या कोई चीज. These. These means we, यानी हम. These. This means you and it's formal. It's both singular and plural, यानी आप. Onlar. Onlar means they, यानी वो लोग. Beni means me, यानी मुझे. Seni means you, informal, यानी तुम्हें. Onu means him or her or it, यानी उसे. Busy means us, यानी हमें. Busy means you, formal, यानी आपको. Onları means them, यानी उन्हें. The ending depends on the last vowel a, e, I, o, u of the word. Means the word ben has the last vowel a. So here are the rules when to attach and what will be the attached vowels will be with the word. Like ben has a, so for a and e we will use e as the attached vowel with the word. Same for the sen, seni, e. O has the last vowel o, so for o or u we will use u as the last vowel attached to the word. Bees has e as the last vowel, so for a or e we will use e as the last vowel attached to the word bees. Same for the seas, busy. Onlar has the last vowel a, so for a or we will use as the last vowel attached to the word. You will think that why after o we use n, because both vowels can't be together. It's the rule in the Turkish alphabet or words. So we always put n between them. Benim. Benim means my, यानी मेरा या मेरी. Senin. Senin means your, informal, यानी तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी. Onun. Onun means his or her or it, यानी उसका या उसकी. Bizim. Busy means our, यानी हमारा या हमारी. Sizin. Sizin means your, formal, यानी आपका या आपकी. Onların. Onların means their, यानी उनका या उनकी. For ben and for bees we will use M as the last suffix of the word, and for others just N. Benimki. Benimki means mine, yani mere. Seninki. Seninki means yours, informal, yani tumhare. Onunki. Onunki means his or hers or it, yani uske. Bizimki. Bizimki means ours, yani hamare. Sizinki. Sizinki means yours, formal, yani आपके. Onlarınki. Onlarınki means their, yani उनके. Bana. Bana means to me, yani मुझको. Sana. Sana means to you, yani तुमको. Ona. Ona means to him or to her or to it, yani उसको. Bize. Bize means to us, yani हमको. Size. Size means to you, yani आपको. Onlara. Onlara means to them, yani उनको. The last vowel a or a means to. It depends on the last vowel of the word. Bana has last vowel before n, a. So a will use in the last. Sana has last vowel a before n, so a will be used in the end. Ona has the last vowel o, so a will be used. Bize has the last vowel e before z, so a will be used in the last. Same for the C's, bize. Onlara has a, so a will be used. Bende. Bende means in or on or at me, यानी मुझ में या मुझ पे. Sende. Sende means in or on or at you, यानी तुझ में या तुझ पे. Onda. Onda means in or on or at him or her or it, यानी उसमें या उस पे. Bizde. Bizde means in or on or at us, यानी हम में या हम पे. Sizde. Sizde means in or on or at you, यानी आप में या आप पे. Onlarda. Onlarda means in or on or at them, यानी उन में या उन पे. If the word has the last vowel a, e, o, u, they will be attached. If the word has last vowel a, o, u, then da will be attached. Then has the last vowel a, so they will be attached. Sende, also same. On, the o is the last vowel, so da will be attached. Bizde. Biz has e, so they will be attached. Sizde, also same. Onlarda. Onlar has a, so da will be attached. Benden. Benden means from me, यानी मुझसे. Senden. Senden means from you, यानी तुमसे. Ondan. Ondan means from him or her or it, यानी उससे. Bizden. Bizden means from us, यानी हमसे. Bizden. Bizden means from you, यानी आपसे. Onlardan. Onlardan means from them, यानी उनसे. Here also, if the word has last vowels a, e, o, u, then will be attached, and if it has a, o, u, then dan will be attached.